Pasque flower is quite effective in treating nervous problems like headaches, migraine, neuralgia, nervous fatigue, panic, depression, hyperactivity etc. The herb is also used to cure sleeping disorders, fatigue of the adrenal system and mental problems like senile dementia and schizophrenia. Pasque flower is a common homeopathy remedy for women's health issues, including short, variable, late, or absent menstrual flow, amenorrhea, with severe pain, dysmenorrhea. There may also be a delayed onset of menstruation in puberty. Severe premenstrual syndrome, PMS, may also respond to pulsatilla, especially if the sufferer is weepy and has indigestion and mood swings. In pregnancy, the remedy is sometimes used for indigestion, stress incontinence, fatigue, and morning sickness. It also helps curb cravings for sweets. Pulsatilla may also act on the uterine muscles to help turn a breech or malpresented baby in the uterus during labor. Pasque flower is widely used to treat respiratory problems like cough, asthma, catarrh, whooping cough and inflammation of the mucous membranes as well as bronchioles. Pulsatilla is quite beneficial for heart treatment as the herb can be used to cure myocardium, a condition that results in thickening of the cardiac muscles. The herb is known to improve blood circulation and can treat problems associated with venous congestion. Pulsatilla is best used for all types of digestive disorder symptoms, including nausea, vomiting, indigestion, diarrhea, and itchy and painful hemorrhoids. When it comes to the person's stools, no two are alike. The person's mouth is dry, but there is no thirst, and either has a craving or dislike to rich foods that worsen the symptoms. Pasque flower is known to treat ear infections and earaches. It is the perfect cure to help relieve that severe throbbing pain of the ear. You can use pulsatilla when the ear infection feels worse at night, and it feels swollen, hot, and red around and inside the ear. The person may also experience itching, deafness, and a yellowish-green and thick discharge from the ear. Pulsatilla is also very useful when the person's lips are cracked, and the ears and nose feel stopped up. The homeopathic remedy is considered a great replacement to antibiotics for ear infections. Homeopathic pasque flower is known to treat eye-inflammatory problems like conjunctivitis, pink eye, an inflamed cornea, and styes. The person's stye may also have a link with a cold or an overall feeling of sickness. It is best to use pulsatilla during the early stages of a stye. Pulsatilla is perfect when there is a profuse and bland yellow mucus or pus discharge from the inflamed eyelid. Mucus may also appear in the corner of a person's eyes. The person will also often feel worse from heat or at night and better after fresh air or a cold compress. They also often have a dry mouth and don't have a desire for liquids. Pasque flower is also considered a good homeopathic remedy for arthritic conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, especially when a person's pain or inflammation changes location. The pain may shift from joint to joint. It is also a good remedy for knee pains, which appear suddenly and the joints will be hot, pale, red, or swollen. Heaviness, trembling, stiffness, and restlessness are other symptoms of a person that requires pulsatilla for arthritis and joint conditions. The person's pains are often worse at night or when it is warm, but the symptoms improve with coldness and open air,